Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the essentials: a working microphone and the app open. First, pick the correct input device in system settings so audio routes to the recognizer. Next, enable the platform's dictation or speech service. This turns on transcription engines. Once done, open your document, set language and punctuation mode, and press the dictation hotkey or tap the microphone icon. This starts streaming your voice to text, so speak clearly and at normal pace. Now focus on accuracy by configuring language and noise controls. Change the recognition language and add secondary languages if you switch mid-sentence. This reduces mismatches. Then tweak mic sensitivity and enable noise suppression so background sounds don't trigger errors. Also assign a convenient hotkey and enable punctuation commands for faster formatting. Once configured, run a short test sentence, listen to errors, and retrain or recalibrate the mic profile, where the system offers that. Finish by reviewing and correcting the transcript. Use edit voice commands or quick keyboard fixes. Then export or save the document and enable cloud sync to keep work safe. For persistent problems, follow one troubleshooting tip. Restart the speech service and your browser or app. Make sure your microphone permission is granted, the chosen language matches your speech, and your internet connection is stable since many engines use cloud processing. If accuracy is still poor, try.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.